First step is the whole spices. Clove, black cardamom, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, and 2 bay leaves. Okay. You can add the ginger, curry. Now you can add the 2 green chilies that slit slightly in the center. Add the garlic now. It's about 6 or 7 cloves, large cloves. Now we add 2 Roma tomatoes, diced. Tomatoes are easily mashable, which is going to be necessary to complete the whole masala texture when we add the powdered spices. Now we add the powdered spice. Here we've got coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a Kashmiri masala blend. You can go medium heat now because powdered spices will burn easily. Tablespoon of water. I'm just looking out for some oil separation. That would mean we're ready to add the next step. Add the meat. I think we can go a little high now because the meat is medium high, towards the high side. The meat is going to release water. Add a little bit more salt for the meat. Just to cover. It also depends how much gravy you want or not. Once it comes to a boil, we will reduce the temperature so we can cover and allow it to do its thing for about 40 minutes. Okay, now there's 17 minutes left. Shall we check where we are with the curry? Just halfway, because I might need to increase the temperature. Oh no, I don't need to increase the temperature. That's a nice, gentle little boil. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Okay, let's test the meat because we might not need 40 minutes. Wow, it is breakable. Let's try that. It's almost there. Wow. Okay, let's taste the seasoning. Salt is good. Spice is good. Heat is good. That's from I got a baby curry leaf plant that I bought from the farmer's market. I just want to wake it up, you know. Wow, the smell of fresh curry leaves is just indescribable. Oh, I'm going to add the potatoes. Let's do that. So the meat will finish cooking the same time that the potatoes take to get soft. Let's see, we have to break, oh, like butter. Now we will mash it to contribute to the gravy. Pick out this stuff. that off. We can put that off. Keep it covered. Tastiest. Lamb curry with carrot salad.